Viewers' animals are a precious gift of nature, playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. Their presence not only makes our lives beautiful, but also helps provide essential resources for life on Earth. It is unfortunate that due to human activities, hunting, deforestation, and environmental changes, many animals have become extinct or are on the verge of extinction. Their extinction is not only a loss for them, but also severely impacts our ecosystem. Animals are an integral part of our world. Their survival is intertwined with our own. Let us learn about these extinct species and play our part in saving the current ones. Top 5 animals that have become extinct. Number 1. Dodo bird. The dodo was an extinct bird found on the island of Mauritius. This bird was flightless and lived on land. The dodo was approximately 3 feet tall and weighed between 10 to 20 kilograms. Its wings were short and strong, but insufficient for flight. The dodo's diet included fruits, seeds, and plants. The most distinctive feature of the dodo was its innocence. It was fearless of humans and other threats because it had never faced predators. When humans arrived in Mauritius in the 16th century, they brought along predators like rats and pigs, which destroyed the dodo's eggs and environment. Viewers. By around 1681, the dodo was completely extinct. This bird has become a tragic example of the destruction of natural ecosystems and human negligence. The dodo is still remembered as a reminder in scientific research and conservation efforts. Number 2. Tasmanian tiger. The Tasmanian tiger, also known as the thylacine, was a carnivorous mammal found in Australia, Tasmania, and New Guinea. This animal was called the tiger due to its unique striped body, although it was actually a marsupial related to kangaroos and other marsupials. The Tasmanian tiger's body resembled that of a dog, but its prominent stripes on the back made it unique. This animal was more active at night and hunted small animals, birds, and insects. The remarkable feature of the Tasmanian tiger was that its mouth could open surprisingly wide, allowing it to catch large prey. Unfortunately, after the arrival of European settlers, the number of Tasmanian tigers rapidly declined. It was considered a threat to livestock, and its existence was endangered due to hunting. Deforestation and the destruction of natural habitats also contributed to its extinction. The last known Tasmanian tiger died in a zoo in Tasmania in 1936. Although it is now considered extinct, some people claim to have seen it in the wild. The Tasmanian tiger continues to be a subject of biological research and highlights the importance of evolution and environmental conservation. Number 3. Great auk. The great auk was an extinct bird found in the cold coastal regions of the North Atlantic. This bird was adapted to marine life and spent most of its time in the water. The great auk was approximately 75 centimeters, 2.5 feet, tall and weighed up to 5 kilograms. Its wings were small and strong, helping it to swim and dive, but it was incapable of flight. The great auk's diet included fish and other marine organisms. This bird mainly nested on small islands where there were few predators. Due to overhunting by humans and the destruction of its natural habitat, the great auk's population rapidly declined. In the 16th century, it was hunted extensively for its feathers, meat, and eggs. In 1844, the last known pair of great auks were killed near Iceland, and after that, this bird became completely extinct. The great auk is still considered an important example in biological research, showing how human intervention can lead to the extinction of a species. It serves as a crucial lesson in the importance of environmental conservation. Number 4. Quagga. The quagga was a unique subspecies of zebra found in the grasslands of South Africa. It was famous for its distinctive striped pattern, as its front half was striped like a zebra, while its back half resembled a brown horse without stripes. The quagga stood about 4 to 5 feet tall and was generally considered a grazer. Quagga herds typically roamed grasslands and moved from one place to another in search of water. These animals played an important role in their ecosystem by maintaining balance alongside other grazing animals. Unfortunately, during the 19th century, quaggas were heavily hunted due to their meat and hide. Competition with livestock for grazing land also put their species at risk. In 1883, the last known quagga died in a zoo in Amsterdam, and with that, the species became extinct. Today, quagga remains, and some DNA samples are preserved, and projects like the Quagga Project are working on their potential revival. This incident serves as an instructive story about the importance of animal conservation and the impact of human activities. Number 5. Woolly mammoth. The woolly mammoth was an ancient, large, elephant-like mammal that went extinct around 4,000 years ago. This animal was found in the cold regions of North America, Europe, and Asia during the Ice Age. The woolly mammoth was famous for its thick fur, size, and large curved tusks. The woolly mammoth's height was about 10 to 12 feet, and it could weigh between 6 to 8 tons. Its body was covered by a thick layer of long fur, which protected it from the extreme cold. Its tusks could be up to 15 feet long and were curved, used for both digging and defense. The woolly mammoth mostly ate grasses, shrubs, and other vegetation. It lived in small groups, with each group led by a female. In harsh weather conditions, it would use its tusks to remove snow and search for food. At the end of the Ice Age, rising temperatures and the destruction of their natural habitat made survival difficult. The closest living relatives of the woolly mammoth today are the African and Asian elephants. Scientists are trying to bring the woolly mammoth back to life through genetic research. The woolly mammoth remains an interesting subject for research and history, helping us understand the importance of evolution and ecosystems. Viewers, extinct animals are a sad part of our history, showing how human activities can deeply affect the natural environment. The extinction of these animals is a warning that if we do not change our ways, the future of more species may also be at risk. These animals remind us that every living being plays an important role in Earth's ecosystem, and their extinction is not only the end of their story, but also has a negative impact on our environment. In today's world, it is our responsibility to learn from the past and ensure the survival of other living creatures on Earth. Efforts for environmental protection and sustainability can help us avoid such tragedies and leave a balanced and beautiful world for future generations.